Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at the truck bed tie-downs in black fitting 2015 and newer F-150s. Extra flexibility is the name of the game with these. If you need some more mounting points in your bed, whether it's for storage, hauling, or whatever else you can think of, then these are going to be just the ticket. They're an easy installation at a really affordable price. It's going to give you a lot more flexibility for not a whole heck of a lot of work. Now, we all know how versatile a truck bed can be, but sometimes you just need to be able to hold stuff down. And that's where these come in. Now, the kit includes a pair of these cleats that are going to mount on the sides of your bed using existing spots that are already in there. They feature these sturdy loops, so no hooks and nothing flexible. And they're rated for up to 250 pounds each, so you can latch basically whatever you need to them. You can secure them however you want, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that they're not going to break. You can use ratchet straps, ropes, bungee cords, doesn't matter. And that closed loop design is going to make attaching things really easy, and the sturdiness overall means that pretty much whatever you want or can throw at them will stay exactly where you need it. Now, these are great if you're hauling smaller objects and need them to stay put, or even something larger, say a lawnmower or a dirt bike. They just make better use of some of your truck's bed space, and they're unobtrusive when you don't need them. Now, made from aluminum, not only are they really lightweight, but they're also very strong. There's no welds here or seams that can break on you, and they're finished with this nice black powder coat, so they look just right in the bed of your truck, matching those factory finishes, and again, it being rather unobtrusive as far as looks are concerned, but they're going to be very solid for whatever you need them to do. Pricing for the pair, as you see them here, comes in at about $50, making them a super affordable solution. And if you find yourself needing any amount of extra flexibility for your bed space, then the price of entry here is going to be more than worth it. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and these should maybe take you about 20 minutes to install. They're going to bolt right in using the included hardware, so you don't need to modify anything on your truck to get them in. Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 12mm socket. Not much more we can say about it here at the table, so with that, why don't we throw it over to one of our AT customers who's going to show you exactly what you've got to do.
So on your truck, you're going to have 4 locations. There's 2 on that side. You do have a factory tie-down location. It's down here on both sides, and then 2 on this side. I only ordered 1 kit for these rear 2, so I'll do the install on this side. The other side is the same, and then we'll take a picture once it's all done. All right, let's get it done. You start off with the bolt and the plate. Just undo that. You can do that with your hand. Place the plate on the back side and hand screw it through. Be very careful, you can cross thread this. Keep pushing that, working that plate down, holding the socket wrench. It is tight because the paint on the threads. Get it down to that 1/4 of an inch. It'll get you to where you can get, it's really the thickness of this plate right here. Probably there about now. Go ahead and slide it through. So you put that bottom ledge in between these 2 prongs, right in that little gap. Turn it until you can get the plate in, turn the plate 90 degrees, and slide the screw up in the notch. Try to hold it there. You get a couple turns on it. There we go. That's better. Get some tension on it. So you don't want to over tighten this. Just get it hand tight. Put an extra snug on it. And there you go. And once you're done, you'll have a nice location to hook onto to go with the stock factory location. So that is what it looks like when it's all done. We're completed on the other side. Again, 1 set will come with 2. You will need 2 sets to be able to do all 4 in the truck.
That about wraps it up for our review and install of the truck bed tie-downs in black, fitting 2015 and newer F-150s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.